Hello, assalamu alaikum. We're making Ebbeh today in Fatim Ali's kitchen. Ebbeh means cassava and palm oil soup. We're going to boil some cassava. So we're going to leave the cassava to boil, and then we'll come back to it and show you when we add the other ingredients. We take the catfish out, and our cassava is also cooked. As you can see, when I touch it, it breaks. I want to cut them in small pieces. Ebbeh is basically like soup, cassava soup. So guys, we're gonna add palm oil to our ebbeh. And we just stir until everything is mixed thoroughly. So moving on to this pot, we've got some crabs here. We've got jumbo prawns, and we've got tiny mussels. I'm going to add tamarind to that. Some tamarind in the har. And I'm going to steam that aside for 3 minutes before I add in the ebbeh. Also, I'm going to add some lemon juice in. I'm going to add 1 jumbo, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of chili. We're going to steam that for 3 minutes. Okay. Guys, the crabs and the prawns and the mussels have been all steamed nicely. So we're going to add it in our ebbeh. Also shout out to my friend Ebbeh, my work colleague, who gave me those big giant crabs. Ebbeh, you're invited. You can come for some ebbeh later. So we're gonna stir all these together. Looking nice. And then we will add the fish in as well, the catfish. So we're gonna leave all these to cook together for 5 minutes, and then that's it, we'll be back. So guys, there you have it, our ebbeh is ready. You're all invited. We've got extra chili here and some tamarind with lemon juice on this one here with a little bit of salt. If you want to add extra spice or flavor in your ebbeh, there you have it, you can add. We've got some for you. That's all we've got for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Yeah, bye.